In my previous video, I talked about the reasons why Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra can replace a laptop. In this video, however, I want to talk about the reasons why it cannot. And there are many reasons for this. And the main one is the fact that a laptop with either Windows or Mac OS have the ability to run proprietary software, which is built specifically for these platforms and are not able to run on Android, at least for now. Many of these have Android apps, but a lot more still do not. And the apps are not as fully featured as their desktop counterparts as well. Like for example, there is no professional level video editing software available on Android, and LumaFusion is still awaited. You can forget about Premiere Pro. The same goes for Adobe Suite. It has many Android apps that will run splendidly well on Tab S8 Ultra, but you can only use the full suite on a proper laptop. And you can right out forget about it if you're a programmer, as it will not support any software where you can do some serious programming. So even though there is all the Aspen goodness here, it is limited by what is available or supported on the platform. The second reason is that even though Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has the 8th generation Snapdragon processor, which is a very capable one, it still doesn't come close to the M1 processor in my MacBook or the latest Intel processors meant for high-end computing. For mobile applications, it is perhaps one of the best processors out there and has a considerable performance boost due to its 4nm structure. Still, to be able to run professional apps, these Android tablets need to make a giant leap in terms of the computing power that is available for them. Another major reason is the fact that Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra runs the mobile version of Chrome browser. And yes, while you can set it up to open the desktop pages, it still lacks the power of Chrome extensions. It would have been so much powerful as a laptop if only there was a desktop version of Chrome browser available for it with support for extensions. Many times when I tried using Tab S8 Ultra as my laptop, I realized that to do a specific task I need a particular extension, and that would make me switch back to my laptop instantly. I really think that Google and Samsung should work together to bring the desktop version of Chrome to the Tab S8 series, or at least Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It would make so much more sense as a laptop. If Chromebooks can run Android apps, certainly Android tablets should run the desktop version of Chrome. Next, to use Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, the keyboard cover case has to be bought separately, unless it was pre-ordered, like I did, in which case you would have gotten the keyboard cover case for free. But if you didn't, then it will cost you $350 to turn it into a fully functioning laptop, with all the trade-offs that I have explained earlier. At the price for which you will turn it into a laptop, you might as well just go for the regular laptop where you will get a lot more value for your money. You can even get one of Samsung's own laptops with the 360-degree rotating display, S Pen and touchscreen. And while the keyboard itself is great and actually works really well on flat surfaces, it is not suitable for when you want to use it on your lap. It is not as solid and has some flex to it, so it wobbles quite a lot. And then there is the hinge at the back, which makes things even more uncomfortable. In the end, I would just like to mention the availability of just one port. Even though it is a minor thing, but still it is one of the limitations of using this tablet as a laptop. While on a laptop you can get a buffet of ports catering to all of your needs, Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra features a single USB-C port. To accomplish any function other than charging, you are going to need a dongle. So that is another accessory you will have to carry around with you. Also, unlike laptops, the configuration that you get on this tablet is what you will have to live with, except for the storage, which can be expanded with an SD card. Whereas with laptops, you get the freedom to upgrade their memory and storage after purchase and increase their life. This is also something to keep in mind before investing your money in Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were all the reasons why Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra cannot replace a laptop and why you would be better off getting a laptop instead. Now let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.